Hello friends, today I will show you importance of line color black and blue. So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe it and press the bell icon. So first of all open SolidWorks. After that new part, then OK. Select the front plane. Now I am making some random sketch just to explain you. Now you can see that this black color indicates that it is fully constrained, and this blue color indicates it is under constraint. So how we are going to make it as fully constraint? The way to make it as fully constraint is we can use geometric constraints and can give dimensional constraint so that it will be fixed while designing the part. Now the question is, so how it will be fixed while designing the part? I will show you by giving an example. First of all, delete all these entities. Select line, draw a line. By using smart dimension, give the dimension 100 mm. Now take a circle, draw a circle, give the dimension of the circle 30 diameter. Now I have to place this circle to the center of this line. I am just giving dimension to place it to the center of the line. Just giving the dimension 100 divided by 2, it will come to the center of this line. Now if I would change the length of the line, just I will take it 200 mm. Now the circle does not come to the center of the line. So we can make it the circle to the center of the line by using geometrical constraint. I will show you how. First of all, delete this dimension. Select the center of the circle and by pressing Ctrl button, select the line. Now just click on midpoint. Now you can see that the circle comes automatically to the center of the line. Now if I would change the length of the line, just I have given 100 mm, you can see that it automatically comes to the center of the line. So if you are not going to make it as a fully constrained sketch, it is very dangerous. So we should make it fully constrained before making into 3D model. So why I am saying it is not good if it is under constraint sketch. So we can modify it very easy if it is under constraint sketch. And if the sketch is fully constrained, we can able to modify it by varying the dimension or constraint. So guys, all these for today's video. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, then please click on the subscribe button.